When you first start trading, there's a lot of stuff you're not gonna know. But luckily, I'm here to help you. One of the big things I didn't know when trading was that you can make money when the stock market goes down. There are a couple of rules to follow with short selling, but for the most part, you can just make money when the stock goes down. A trade only counts for either buying or selling. It doesn't count opening and closing a trade. So one trade is buying, another trade is selling. You can get a really high price stock for a fraction of the cost. You can do that with option trade. When you option trade, you control 100 shares of a stock instead of just controlling one share of it. The downfall of options trading is that your option could expire worthless. So this contract could expire and you didn't take value from it. So you got to be real careful when options trading. The most important thing that people need to know, you don't need money to trade. So you do need money, but you don't need your money to trade with. You can manipulate these apps referral programs. So once you manipulate the app's referral programs, they give you anywhere from 5 to 25, maybe more sometimes, dollars per referral. So that adds up. If you get together 10 apps that pay you $5 each, and that's really the minimum. So that's $50 for every one person that downloads the app. A lot of times these apps, they do promotions where they give you like anywhere from $10 to $100 per referral. You got to take advantage of those. I know Digit for one was giving $50 per referral. Like for the first, when you first join, they're gonna tell you if you refer 3 friends, you get $100. And it's gonna go from 3 friends to 5 friends. 5 friends to get you $250. Then 10 friends to get you $500. So that's essentially $50 per referral. Use that to your advantage. Capital, they're doing 500 for 5, so that's basically $100 per referral right now. Why not take advantage of stuff like that?